up, YouTube? Wow, what a difference a day makes, let me tell you. The students really heard me when I expressed my regret for not explaining properly the outcome, or explaining, I guess, my expectations of what I really wanted. They really absorbed it. I think they appreciated it. And after that, I had to go into some rules and regulations that would kind of keep us on track and on target. And while there was some resentment there at the beginning, after 2 days, let me tell you, the change is wonderful. I think we're on common ground, and it takes just that to nurture maturity in seeing advancement or seeing growth. It takes ground to sow, and you can't reap until you sow. So I'm glad we're here. I'm glad we found a common ground. I think we're working towards improving. We're doing excellent work. Today we were in the lab. We done some cutting with the circular saw. Everyone was real attentive, engaged. Everyone listened. Everyone was super entertained. We had a wonderful time. We used all the proper PPE. We were safe. And we done it exactly like it should have been done. I had KJ, Bracy Snyder, I had Brian, I had LaDamian, Mark Wynn, I had Monty, I had Michael. Everyone was out there having a good time. Everybody out there, we were doing some good things. I want you to watch this video, subscribe, like this. I want you to hit the notifications bell. I want you to share it with someone who might like this. Straight line, we're going to stay committed all the way through. There you go. Somebody give that man a round of applause. Commit. Look at that, Keontae Jemison. There we go. How'd that feel? You guys share this. I hope you like this. I hope you subscribe and hit the notifications bell, and we'll keep sending more of this stuff out. Thank you so much. Later.